Hello guys and welcome back to my channel Hunger Hits Home. So today we are gonna make cone chaat. Well, this sounds something different, right? So let's start. For this you'll need maida. In that add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Now add salt as per your taste. Add water to it little by little. Guys, you have to make a soft dough out of it. You can see our dough is now ready. Rest it for 10 to 15 minutes. So guys, till that, let's move on to make the green chutney. For this, you will need 5 to 6 green chilies and of course some coriander leaves. You have to half grind it together, guys. So you can see I've half grinded it. Now all that I just have to do is add some salt. Again guys, it's as per your taste. Add 2 teaspoons of jeera, 3 teaspoons of sugar, lemon juice. Here I am taking 1 lemon and some peanuts. Grind it together properly. So guys, you can see our green chutney is now ready. If you want it more thick, you can add a little water to it. So let's move on to make the red chutney. For this you'll need 12 to 15 garlic pieces, salt, 1 small bowl of red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of water. Now grind this properly. You can see guys, our red chutney is also ready. If you want it more thick, add more water to it. So guys, our green chutney plus red chutney and also the sweet chutney is also ready. So let's move on to make the masala. For this you'll need 2 onion and some coriander leaves. Chop it properly guys. You can see how nicely I've chopped it. Here take some boiled potatoes. I'm taking 4 boiled potatoes. Now heat some oil on a low flame. Once the oil is heated up, add the mixture of chopped onion and coriander leaves to it. Fry them properly for 10 to 15 seconds. Do this on a medium flame. Now add the boiled potatoes to it. Again guys, let them cook for 10 to 15 seconds. So they are cooked properly. Now we'll add salt to it. 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder. Guys, this will bring more spiciness to your taste. And 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. On a low flame, mix them properly. So guys, this masala is now ready. Keep it aside for some time. So guys, you can see these cones. These are easily available in the stores nearby. This will give a proper shape to your chaat. So our dough is also ready now. start rolling it. Just make sure that you roll it very thin. Now spread the oil to your cone. Guys, see this properly the way I'm rolling it, even though yes, I'm not that perfect in giving it a perfect shape, but still this will work. You just have to make sure that you press each and every side properly so that it won't get detached when you fry it. So our oil is heated now, we'll fry them. Fry them till they turn brown in color. So guys, you can see our cones are fried properly. Let them cool for 10 minutes so that you can easily remove the cones out of it. Now the final step, start adding the masalas and chutneys to it. Don't forget that the masala and chutneys are equally spicy. Add very little amount of chutney to it. Here I am making 2 layers of masala in it. You can also make it maximum of 3 layers. So guys, our cone chaat is now ready. If you like my recipe, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.